Hello friends and welcome to another TMR Tours. I'm Stacy and today I'm going to take you on a tour of our standard room at Disney's Coronado Resort. This resort features classic Southwest styles and is in the Animal Kingdom area of Walt Disney World's property. This moderate resort has recently refurbished these rooms and no longer have any carpets. They are all hard floors. The standard room view for a Casitas room overlooks a courtyard. There are multiples of them, and they give each building a community feel. As you can see, this standard double queen room has ample space, including in the drawers, plenty of places to unpack, plenty of desk lights, as well as outlets and USB ports. Hidden under the desk is the mini fridge where you can stash some of your beverages for the next day at the park. They also give you a coffee maker, pods, and tea to go along with your standard ice bucket and cups. Of course, there's a large screen TV that you can watch regular television or cast from your own device, a full-length mirror, and did I mention this custom artwork? Love it, as well as plenty of outlets and USB ports right next to the bed. And if you need it, this is where you'll find your room safe. Now let's check out the bathroom. Behind these sliding barn doors is a 2-room bathroom. First, let's check out the shower and toilet area, which is separated by a hidden pocket door. There's a spacious walk-in shower with complimentary soaps and body wash. There's even a shelf for you to put in your own. A great feature is that you get a rain head shower as well as a handheld shower head. What I really appreciate about this half of the bathroom is that you can be in here with the door shut and not feel too cramped. Some resorts, it's a really tight space. The other half of the bathroom is very spacious as well. It features a double sink with a double vanity shelf, a huge mirror that's lit all the way around, as well as a lighted makeup mirror. This is also where you will find your stand-up closet with all of your hangers, extra pillow blanket, ironing board, iron, and your luggage rack. One of the main things they really tried to focus on when they refurb these rooms is providing a lot of storage. Overall, we felt that the beds were very comfortable, things were clean, tidy, very well maintained. Highly enjoyed staying at this nice, quiet, Southwestern themed resort. As previously mentioned, on your large screen TV provided in the room, you can watch regular TV, or using your remote and your phone, you can toggle over and select Connect My Device. This allows you to cast from your phone or your iPad using this special QR code once you're connected to the Disney Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can either scan the QR code or go to disney.getstreaming.tv and enter your unique code. Once you do that, you can open any Chromecast-enabled app and start streaming your own videos. We genuinely enjoy staying at this resort because it's not just a clean, spacious room. The resort as a whole is really interesting. There are a ton of food and beverage establishments, as well as a really unique pool, some quiet pools, and a ton of resort activities and events. If you're looking for a great moderate resort that's quiet and affordable, close to a lot of the theme parks, this is the resort for you. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world.
Congaloosh.